Xiaomi 13 will launch in December. Xiaomi 12 series launched in December last year, so it won't be a surprise if the Xiaomi 13 series launches next month. Today we got our first look at the design of both the Xiaomi 13 and the Xiaomi 13 Pro. The renders of both these phones were shared by OnLeaks and we can see the phone from all angles. We can see that the design is completely different from last year's Xiaomi 12. First let's have a look at Xiaomi 13. This year we have flat sides and the camera module have also been changed. The bezels are also comparatively thin. Ice Universe said the Xiaomi 13 resembles the Galaxy S22 from the front due to those thin bezels. Xiaomi 13 has quite an odd-looking camera module, especially due to the placement of camera lenses. There is a square-shaped camera island that is divided into 3 parts, and 2 of these 3 parts have 2 camera lenses, whereas the third part has a camera lens and an LED flash module. The display size of Xiaomi 13 is around 6.2 inch. Please like and comment as it helps with YouTube's algorithm. The Xiaomi 13 Pro has a curved screen. It also has a bigger display size, which is 6.7 inch. If you compare both these phones side by side, you will also see that the camera module on the Xiaomi 13 Pro is bigger than the Xiaomi 13. That is probably due to the bigger sensor, or maybe due to a third telephoto lens which we may not see on the Xiaomi 13. That's all about the design so far. Some specs of Xiaomi 13 Pro has also been revealed, such as 6.7 inches Quad HD Plus E6 LTPO AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, Sony IMX989 1-inch sensor with Leica Color Science and a 120 watts fast charger. Do let me know what you think about the design in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and peace out.